tell me how yesterday I didn't say day 4, but day 5. Elena Arabic at the Andalus Institute. The Guide to Discipline. This joint right here, crazy, bruh. Listen, I know y'all be on here just scrolling. Listen, I need you to tap in, lock in, write this stuff down, because it's about to be given to you in bite-sized pieces so that you can digest this information, so that you can start applying it. The first topic that Ustad goes over. Number 1, limiting beliefs and how to fix them. Number 2, common student mistakes that lead to failure. Number 3, motivation to discipline. Number 4, planning. Number 5, deleting distractions, essentialism. Number 6, deep work. Number 7, routines and habits. And number 8, becoming your new you, maintenance. These topics right here, the way that he gonna break it down, and the way I'm gonna break it down that he broke it down, is gonna be so simple that you can start applying these things. So stay with me, inshallah ta'ala, because we about to go crazy. We about to learn how to become disciplined. Let's run it. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.